Hi everybody, how's it going?
It's all good.
We are here for the first ever BMW iX3 Masterclass product experience, and we have media from all over ASEAN here for the next couple of days so they can test drive the BMW iX3 on the road, on the track, and get some serious Masterclass
Right.
experiences.
Okay. I'm really excited about that, and I think one question I have is, I think everybody be asking as well, what is really like the main differences between the previous generation of the iX3 and this one?
I
Give me one or two. Just give me one
I
or two.
can't- there-
I don't want to pressure you.
I can't. I mean, there's literally so much.
Right.
Immediately, you'll notice the design. Obviously,
Okay.
the front of the car, like
Looks
it's
good.
something that is so different. But I kick back to previous generations and heritage. But then after that, it's got to be the driving experience, and it's
Okay.
something that you will only experience when you get behind the wheel.
Right, okay, folks, that's enough said, and more visuals coming your way. Once again, we thank again Preeti for inviting us right here at Bangkok, and more footage coming your way right here on Rev Evolution. Thanks, Preeti.
Thanks.